Assalamu alaikum everyone and a very good afternoon to all of you. I am Alicia. I am from 11th standard. Today we all are here for doing debate on a very amazing and controversial topic which is about regular college versus open college. Which one of the best? So if you want to do other business with your study, so definitely open college is best. But if you are serious for study and don't take risk for your study, so definitely regular college is best. But in my approach, regular college is far better than the open college because in the regular college there is a regular classes. But if I talk about the open college, so there is no regular classes, and if you want to take one or two classes in a week, so you have to pay money, then you will get, otherwise not. And we cannot learn theoretically as quickly as we learn them practically. Like we are taught biology, chemistry, physics in the school, but we can also do it practically so that we can understand that topic easily. And similarly, if we will go to the college regular, so we can and understand the concept and try them also practically. Soon we will be able to understand that topic easily.
Done.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Muhammad Ishan and today we are debating here in Ideal Academy on a very amazing topic. The topic is in the motion of open college versus regular college. Which college system is better? So as far as I think, open colleges are better for us. We should join the open colleges. First thing, as she is mentioning about the practicals, that for the science stream student we are taught biology. There are many things which are shown by the practicals there. So first thing I want to tell you, practical does not take place daily. Like daily it is happening, practical is happening in a classroom. No, it happens sometimes in a classroom. Same thing happens in open college also. When I searched the data on the YouTube and on a Google, so I found 9 to 10 times practical happens in open college also, and whenever it will take place, so you will be called. First thing, this is your misconception corrected. Second thing which I want to mention, that why am I favoring the open colleges? When we have to study only 2 days, what can we learn? We can learn many things. It can be helpful for those people who can study, who are used to studying, like Kari Saab, whom we study with. He wants to study. He doesn't want to become teacher, IAS, doctor, engineer, but he wants to study. So there are many people like him, they want to study, but they don't want to become teacher and all. So it is helpful for them. They can study and as well as they can handle their daily works also, which is good thing for the people. It is because open college is that thing which is giving the opportunity to the people of studying. And next thing, I want to mention about the waste of time and waste of money. If you go to the regular college, so I think that is only waste of time and waste of money, because you have to travel, go to the college, for coming back to the home you have to travel, then come back home. When will you do the revision? And when will you study yourself? When will you do self study? You have no time, because you will be tired and spent, so you can't study. But if you go to the open college, you have time, you can study, you can do the revision, and money which I will spend in a fees, that I can spend in a tuition, so that I can get the good marks. That's good thing for us.
Okay, listen, brother. You are mentioning that if you will go to the college, so these are wasting of time. So why are you coming there? It's a wasting of time. Why are you coming here?
Where?
In the tuition.
So this thing I'm saying, that tuition, like if we go to the regular college, so we will not get time to go to the tuition. The thing, we cannot learn anything extra. But if we choose the open college, so we can go there, and as we can go to the college and we can handle the tuition also, where we can learn the other skill, the thing which we are speaking now, English speaking course we are doing. So this thing is not taught to us in our regular schools. Is it useful? No, English is not taught like English spoken used to, has modals, nothing is taught to us. Or they only focus on a syllabus. Same thing will be applied in a college also. Nothing extra will be taught to us, only syllabus. No extra thing will be taught to us. But if we talk about the open college, we can learn other course, like we can do the computer course, English speaking course as we are doing, and we can invest our money on a stock. We can do the course of trading, which can help us in our future. But if you are choosing the regular college, so you will get the degree, then after getting the degree you will have to do any course for getting the job. After doing the course you will get the job. That is totally waste of time as far as I think.
Okay, listen. You are telling about the syllabus. So in the open college, students only learn theoretically, and they stress about the completing the syllabus. So these are This is not the
Listen,
thing.
theoretically they study, practicals are also there, they are called. First thing. Second thing, as I want to clear the misconception of these people. One of Sophia's sister, she was mentioning about the parties, vending. It happens in an open college. If you go to the open college, you will spoil your future. You will enjoy yourself. You will waste your time in a parties and all. Listen, sister, these type of things happens more in a regular college, because what do we think? What will we think if we are going like today we can do party, tomorrow we will go to the college, today we can do party, tomorrow we will go to the college? But it does not happen in the open college. If we are going to the open college, so we will think just 2 days we have to go, we can do party on another day also.
I didn't mention party word.
So whatever you mention, wasting the time in a vending in streets and all, that happens only in a regular college, not in an open college. That's it.